everyone, welcome to Real Maya channel. Today I'm going to show you a new recipe, that's lotus seeds curry. Before that I want to show you my indoor container. Before starting my recipe, I want to show you my indoor vegetable growing. This is container, and I have thrown some Malabar spinach seeds. Here the large plant is Malabar spinach, and there behind is the brinjal, and here's side a small marigold plant, and I added some support for Malabar spinach. Ingredients for recipe. Here it is almond paste. I have just blended almonds with water to make this paste, and here it's 1 barbecue onion which I already posted. I have made paste out of it, and this is 1 barbecue tomato blended into paste, and these are the lotus seeds. This is available in any Indian store, and I'm going to use 1 potato barbecue again, and 1 chilli barbecue, and this is capsicum cut into pieces, green chilli and capsicum. And here are the spices: salt 1 spoon, 1 spoon red chili powder, and 1 spoon ginger garlic paste, and pinch of turmeric, and ½ spoon mustard seeds and cumin seeds, and some oil. Let's start the recipe. I have turned on the pan. I'm also cooking millets to eat with my curry. My millets are boiling, and I'm going to start the recipe. First I'm adding oil. Two to 3 spoons. I'm going to add spices first. Mix them well. Add tomato paste, add onion paste, and mix them well. Once oil floats, you can see the oil. You don't need much oil because the veggies are already barbecued. And at this point I'm going to add almond paste. And mix them well. I've added water to bring this consistency, and mix them well. And let it cook little bit. Once it's cooked, like you can see little bubbles popping up, So at this point, add veggies. I have taken potato and capsicum. You can add any veggies of your choice and mix them well. Again, we don't need much cooking here, as already the veggies, the potatoes and capsicum are already cooked. Then add we don't have to cook much, just add lotus seeds. I'm just taking half, few are left. I'm just taking 3/4 of this. Mix them well and turn off the stove. This tastes good with roti or flatbread or rice. Turn off. I'm serving into bowl. Taste test. It's excellent. You should try this. If you like this recipe, share with your friends. Subscribe my channel and full description is written below. Thank you for watching.